We are track record.
We are never finished.
Well guys, the WRX has been fun. But every good thing has to come to an end at some point, and I'm sorry to say I am actually getting rid of the WRX as a daily. I apologize for having to do that to you guys, but I had to. So let me explain why I'm not gonna be dailying the WRX anymore, because I've been dailying this car for the past, I don't know, like 2 years now, and right now I commute about 60 miles a day, 5 days a week, and I'm already at 50,000 miles in this car, and it's a 2017 WRX, so that's a lot of miles in that short amount of time. And I'm just, honestly, I've gotten to the point where I haven't been enjoying dailying it, sitting in traffic with the stick shift and the clutch and just everything. And I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, because I'm not. This car has been amazing in that 2-year period, but it's time to get something that I think is gonna make my life a lot easier and is gonna allow this to go full project and allow me to do some things to this car that I wouldn't be able to do if I was still dailying it. So you guys are probably wondering what I got as my new daily. Now obviously I'm gonna be keeping this car garaged for the, and I can use it as a weekend car, but for the days that I'm gonna be going to work 5 days a week, I picked something that I think you guys are gonna like. It's a fun car, it's got a lot of torque, I'd say loves to be in charge, and the transmission is so smooth that it's almost like it's not even there. And the best part about it is you can't even hear it coming. This is the 2018 Bolt! Alright, now I know what you guys are thinking, so let me explain. Let me explain to you guys why I not only got an electric car, but why I got the 2018 Chevy Bolt. Now, I never would have imagined in a million years that I would be getting an electric car. It's just not something that I've ever had on my mind up until recently. But after doing a lot of research, the fact that I wouldn't have to go to a gas station, the fact that I wouldn't have to do any more oil changes on this car anyways, the fact that getting 300 miles was less than $10 to get out of this car. Like that, and then also on top of that, my commute has the ability to use the carpool lane the entire way. I was sold on that. That was enough for me. So that was the reason that I looked into getting an electric car. Why I got the Bolt, I mean, it's honestly one of the best electric cars on the market right now, besides the Tesla, but I wasn't about to wait 2.5 years to get one, especially because I was more concerned about putting more miles in the WRX, and that was one of my main concerns. So I wanted to get into something else, something better for daily driving sooner than later. So this was definitely the best option that I had. Now, I know this isn't like some practical dual clutch sports car, and it honestly looks kind of dorky. To me it looks like kind of like an egg. I don't know why electric cars have this similar look to them, where they have like a competition to where they can make the most bizarre looking car out of all the other electric cars, besides Tesla, of course. I'm not a huge fan of the looks, but it wasn't about the looks or the sport factor. I mean, it does accelerate pretty quickly. You know, the electric cars do that, so it isn't like it's not fun to drive. But at the end of the day, for you guys and this channel, this was really about being able to mod the WRX in many different ways that I wasn't going to be able to do if I was still daily driving it. But we'll talk about that at another time. In any case, if you guys have any questions about this car or about the WRX, let us know in the comments, message us on Instagram, and we will definitely do our best to reply and let you guys know what's happening. So hope you guys are having a great day. We are never finished, and we will catch you guys in the next one.